Are you thinking about buying from Name.com for your web hosting and website software needs? Here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision, especially when comparing it to other top-tier competitors in the space. First thing, Name.com offers a variety of plans from basic shared hosting to more advanced options. However, their prices can be a bit higher compared to other budget-friendly hosts like Bluehost or HostGator, who often offer more competitive entry-level pricing. Next thing, Name.com does provide a user-friendly interface, but it's not quite as intuitive as some other platforms like Wix or Squarespace. These alternatives are designed with beginners in mind, offering more streamlined website building tools. The third thing to consider is the speed of Name.com's hosting. Their performance is generally solid, but not necessarily industry-leading. If speed is a priority for your business, you might want to look into SiteGround or A2 Hosting, which have a reputation for faster load times. The fourth thing is customer support. Name.com does have a responsive support team, but it can take longer to get answers compared to others like SiteGround, who are known for their rapid response times. If 24/7 support is a must-have for you, make sure you understand how quickly they can assist you. Next thing, Name.com offers free voice protection, which is a nice bonus. This feature is often an added cost with other providers like GoDaddy. However, you'll still need to pay extra for SSL certificates if you want enhanced security. The sixth thing is email hosting. While Name.com does offer email hosting with some plans, it's not as feature-rich as what Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 provide. If you need advanced email tools, you may want to look elsewhere. The seventh thing, let's talk about website building. If you're looking for drag and drop simplicity, Name. Comdos offer website builders, but they're not as robust as those from platforms like WordPress or Wix, which offer a wider range of templates and customizability. Next thing, scalability. If you plan on growing your website, Name.com does offer VPS and cloud hosting. However, if you anticipate needing more advanced resources, you might find providers like Bluehost or Kinsta offer more flexible and high-performance hosting options for scaling. The ninth thing to know is their uptime. Name.com guarantees 99.9% uptime, which is standard in the industry. But if you're looking for the absolute best reliability, hosts like SiteGround and A2 Hosting consistently exceed this uptime promise. The 10th thing is pricing transparency. While Name.com is fairly upfront with their pricing, some users report that renewal rates can get pretty steep, similar to other hosting companies, so make sure you check the renewal terms carefully before committing long-term. Next thing, Name.com does have a decent set of integrations with apps and tools, but again, when it comes to the sheer number of integrations and flexibility, WordPress hosting plans tend to have a broader range of compatible plugins. The 12th thing is ease of use. Name.com is relatively easy to use, but it's not the simplest when compared to platforms like Squarespace, which is known for its zero-tech experience. Name.com might require a bit of a learning curve for complete beginners. So, to sum it up, Name.com is a solid choice for web hosting and website software, especially for those who want a one-stop shop with decent features and pricing. But if you're looking for a more powerful and scalable solution, there are alternatives out there. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free, and see if it's a better fit for your needs.